Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ignace Aleya, and in today's video we're going to see how to use commercial music without being demonetized on YouTube, which is kind of crazy. Let's get into that. Alright, so we just brought back Tip Trick Tuesday, so whenever we feel that we found something useful sharing, but it's not long enough to share it in a Saturday's video, we will make a Tip Trick Tuesday on Tuesdays, obviously, because it's Tip Trick Tuesday. Who would have thought? And that way we can kind of cover shorter topics, but yet give a lot of useful information for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy this video as well. Let's get started. Alright, so we all know the stories where you find a popular song, you try to use that in your YouTube videos, and then boom, you get demonetized, or even worse, striked on your YouTube channel, and you didn't even know what you did wrong, but then eventually you realize that you don't have the legal requirements to use your song in your video. So that's where lick.co comes in. So this is a music licensing platform that offers you commercial music. Obviously you need to pay a small license fee because they acquired these talented and famous songs on their website. But if you use a link in the description below, you get one song for free, and no matter what song you end up choosing, you can use that one for free in your YouTube video. So that's definitely worth taking a look at. I will provide you with a link in the description below, and actually I will guide you through what happens when you click on that link, because we never know what's behind that link. Well, actually I'm logged in. I should do this in incognito mode, huh? So here you need to create an account, and it's very important that you use your Google login that you're using for your YouTube account. Alright, so we're nearly there. We're going to, of course, add my name here. Country is Belgium. Yep, I'm from Belgium. Anyone else from Belgium? Let me know in the comments below. I'm from the Dutch part, by the way. Alright, so now I have my account. Now it's important to just go to the homepage, and you can actually search a song that you like. For example, this one. Alright, so I will license this song, and then you can see that your first song is for free. And here you will see that the total pay will be €0 because you're using the link in the description below with this discount code. So let's complete our order and download your track. So here you need to understand one thing. So you need to copy this. You can just click on this button and just copy this information in the description of your video, just so that the licensing is all happening correctly. Once you understood that, you can click I understand and download your track. Alright, so they have a ton of awesome famous songs that you can use for your YouTube videos. Unfortunately, I cannot go through all of them because I don't simply have the license to use them in this video. I do have the license for the one I just let you hear. So, alright, so that's it for this Tip Trick Tuesday, and I'll see you Saturday. Take care and goodbye. We don't add this.